Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Neelam Durgapal. Today we will learn vowel E sound words. BED bed, FED fed, LED led, RED red, WED wed, LEG leg like HEN hen, DEN den, MEN min, PEN pen, TEN 10. Few easy words here. HEN hen, PEN pen, TEN 10, MEN men, RED red, BED bed, LEG leg, PET pet, SET set, MET met. Kids, you also can do like this. Vowel E sound words. HEN hen, PEN pen, RED red, BED bed, TEN 10, SET set, LEG leg. So, thank you class. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.